Welcome all, off to Jungle Falls Modified Mayhem event. Do I follow the patron of the lost cause? With recent ZURU chatter, I thought I may as well build a full-blooded one. I'm calling this project CutRock'R's ZURU Warriors. The victim casting is called Top G. Currently comes in purple and orange. One has suggested to me that it's like taking a water pistol into a gunfight. But maybe I won't put water in the tank. So the chassis, wheels, casting are all ZURU. Just my weight mods and axle work and other things. I didn't quite manage this time to pull off a couple of tweaks that I wanted to, but who knows, the next time I might get it rolling. So I'll put a link in the description, and qualifying's just been done, so check out the event and see how the ZURUs go. Cheers.
CutRock'R.